The Miniproca is a powerful all-in-one mini PC that features a built-in 7 inches multi-touch display. Here are some of its standout features. 1. High performance. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 900HX CPU, it offers robust performance for various tasks, from office work to gaming. 2. Customizable options. Available with 8GB, 16GB, or 32GB of DDR5 RAM and storage options ranging from 512GB to 2TB SSD. 3. Versatile display. The 7 inches touchscreen can be used as a primary display or as a secondary screen when connected to up to 3 external monitors, supporting 4K at 120Hz. 4. Compact and portable. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and it includes multiple ports for connectivity, including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB 2.0, 3.2, Type-C, and Ethernet. 5. Durable build. Encased in aluminum alloy housing, it is designed to be both durable and lightweight. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Miniproca. Pros: compact and portable, powerful specs, versatile display, extensive connectivity, 4K video support. Cons: new product, limited screen size, upgradability, potential for heating, price. Overall, the Miniproca packs a powerful punch in a tiny form factor, making it a potential all-in-one solution for work, entertainment, or even light gaming. However, the lack of extensive reviews, the small display, and potential limitations due to its compact design require consideration. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.